In this tutorial, we'll create this header layout with a toggle search bar and a hamburger menu. We will start with a new empty page. Create a custom page template. Build a header layout template part from scratch. Use the grid block to build our responsive layout. Add logo and title to the first grid item block. Add the navigation to the second grid item block. Use Style Builder features to build a basic header layout. Remove the default mobile layout for the navigation block. Add a new grid item block for the hamburger icon. Use the SVG block for the hamburger icon. Add a CSS selector class for the hamburger menu. Transform the navigation block into an advanced group block to use the toggle content feature. Use custom value columns and rows to reorder the grid on mobile devices. To prevent layout jank on the collapse layout, you should not add the spacing on the collapsible block. Hide the hamburger icon on the tablet and desktop devices. This custom CSS feature is only available in the Pro version. Ensure the tablet and desktop devices always show the menu. Let's add animation to the hamburger icon. We've already prepared a simple animation. We only have to copy and paste as plain text in the block editor. You can find the gist in the video description. Now we'll add the toggle search bar. For the sake of simplicity, we'll copy the icon in the gist and paste it in the block editor. Add a new advanced group block for the search bar. Turn on the toggle content feature and make it collapsible. Customize the grid template columns to make room for the search icon. Focus on the search box when the search bar is toggled on. The header layout is complete. Let's add some sample content to use it in the real world. Customize the page template to remove the page title and spacing. Use the sticky feature to make the header fix at the top. Add background color to the header. If your menu is too long, you can add some custom CSS to change the direction of the menu items.